Top 5 Kitchen Gadgets to Elevate Your Cooking. Hey food lovers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 kitchen gadgets that will take your cooking to the next level. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these tools will make your time in the kitchen more efficient, fun, and professional. So grab a snack and let's get started. First up, we have the Sous Vide Precision Cooker. If you want restaurant-quality meals at home, this is a game changer. Sous vide cooking means under vacuum in French, and it allows you to cook your food slowly at a precise temperature in a water bath. With sous vide, you get perfectly cooked meats, juicy and tender, every single time. Just seal your ingredients in a vacuum bag, drop them into the water bath, and let the machine do its magic. No more overcooked or undercooked meals. Next on our list is the Smart Meat Thermometer. If you've ever struggled with knowing when your meat is done, this gadget is for you. This wireless thermometer connects to your phone via Bluetooth and gives you real-time temperature updates. No more guessing games. Whether you're roasting, grilling, or even smoking meats, this thermometer ensures your food is cooked to perfection every time. And trust me, once you use it, you'll never go back to the old way of checking temperatures. Coming in at number 3, we have the multifunctional Immersion Blender. This handy tool can blend soups, sauces, and even smoothies directly in the pot or container, eliminating the need for transferring hot liquids to a blender. It's lightweight, easy to use, and perfect for anyone who loves homemade soups and sauces. Plus, most models come with attachments for whisking and chopping, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. At number 4, we have the automatic pan stirrer. Ever had to stand over the stove stirring for what feels like forever? Well, this gadget does the work for you. Simply place it in your pan, set the timer, and let it stir your soups, sauces, or risottos while you focus on other tasks. It's an extra set of hands in the kitchen that makes cooking so much easier. Last but definitely not least, the digital kitchen scale. Precision is key in cooking, especially in baking, and this scale ensures your measurements are accurate. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to perfect recipes. It's also great for portion control and meal prepping, helping you keep track of ingredients with ease. And there you have it, the top 5 kitchen gadgets to help you cook like a pro. Whether you're looking to perfect your steak, make soups effortlessly, or ensure precision in your recipes, these tools have got you covered. Let me know in the comments which gadget you're most excited to try. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Happy cooking, and I'll see you next time.